Start. Sir, the role of audio visual aids also in school education has not been fully appreciated and given a flip. Stop. Though the CIET is there to look after the implementation of these programs and educational technology and helping the SIETs in the states, not much progress has been made, and many schools have not got the TV sets or video so far. Stop. In fact, the government of Andhra Pradesh, as the minister very well knows, has made a lot of progress in introducing audio visual aids in the schools. Stop. For classes 1 and 2, all the lessons have been converted into video cassettes and schools have been given video sets also. Stop. The midday meal scheme is being successfully implemented by the Tamil Nadu government. Stop. In Andhra Pradesh, we are not able to sustain the scheme for lack of resources and also organizational backup. Stop. About this also, the center has to take a view, and wherever possible this should be encouraged so that retention of children in the schools will be higher. Stop. Similarly, many states are supplying uniforms and textbooks to school children. Stop. For this also there should be a special provision in the central budget to assist the states. Stop. As I mentioned earlier, the three language formula is not working properly in the Kendriya Vidyalayas. Stop. Also, in many states, particularly in the Hindi areas, the three language formula is not functioning. Stop. In the interest of national unity and integration, we have been repeatedly stressing that the Hindi states must introduce at least one language from the non-Hindi states as a third language. Stop. Many states are doing only with Sanskrit. Stop. Except the state of Haryana and one or two other states, they are not introducing the third language. Stop. Therefore, that must be done, and center must act if they really want national integration to be promoted. Stop. When we come to the university and higher education, the UGC's role is now confined only to giving money, grants and some recognition. Stop. But it should devote more attention to the improvement of standards and avoidance of duplication, because many universities are starting courses which are duplicating other universities in the same state. Stop. They should have better coordination and they should pay more attention to the standards in this respect. Stop. Then about university teachers' salaries, the Mehrotra committee's recommendations are being implemented. Stop.